What was your dream about?
I had a dream about soaring up high.
Can you guess what we're having for breakfast?
Are those pancakes delicious?
How was your day at school?
School was a blast.
Are you all set for the day?
Absolutely, I'm all set.
What's on the agenda for today?
I feel like painting today.
Did you check out the sky?
Absolutely, it's super bright and blue.
What's making you smile?
Because I'm super happy.
What story are we going to hear tonight?
Let's dive into the world of courageous dragons.
Did you discover something new?
I discovered some amazing things about outer space.
What brought you joy today?
Having fun with my best buddies.
What made you laugh?
A super funny joke.
What's your special plan?
It's a wonderful surprise.
What did you create?
I sketched a big castle.
What's got you feeling so excited?
I really enjoy this awesome day.
What did you spot outside?
I spotted a lovely little bird.
Did you like your snack?
Absolutely, it was super delicious.
What made you pick that?
I absolutely loved the color.
What did you create today?
I made a really tall tower.
Did you figure out the puzzle?
Yay, I did it. I finally figured it out.
What game do you like the most?
I really enjoy playing hide and seek.
What made you choose this book?
I really like the awesome cover.
Have you completed your homework?
Yay, I'm all finished.
What brought you joy today?
I gave a hand to my best friend.
Why are you rushing?
I'm really excited.
What are you in the mood for lunch?
I'd love a giant sandwich.
What made you choose this outfit?
It's the best color in the whole wide world.
What did you discover at school?
We discovered some amazing wild animals.
Would you like to head outside?
Absolutely, let's head outside.
What did you discover?
I discovered a super neat rock.
Did you spot something awesome?
Oh yes, I spotted a butterfly.
What do you have planned next?
I feel like drawing something.
What made you make that face?
I was really surprised.
Did you catch that noise?
Wow, it was super loud.
What was your favorite part of today?
Having a blast during recess.
Are you in the mood for a snack?
Sure, I'd love something to eat. I'm feeling pretty hungry.
What subject do you like the most?
I really enjoy making art.
What made you change your mind?
I like this one better.
Have you wrapped up your project yet?
Yep, it's all done.
What color do you like the most?
I really love the color blue.
What's making you feel tired?
I had a fun time playing today.
What games did you play during recess?
We had a blast playing tag.
Did you pack your lunch?
Yep, I brought it along.
What would you like to do now?
I feel like reading right now.
Why did you go and hide?
I was having fun playing hide and seek.
What did you tell your buddy?
I shared a silly joke with them.
Would you like to lend a hand?
Of course, I'm here to help.
What brought a smile to your face?
You really made me smile.
Did you like your meal?
It was super tasty.
Why do you feel so sleepy?
I had a bit of a rough night's sleep.
What did you jot down?
I created a really awesome story.
What do you have planned for today?
I'd love to head to the park.
Did you get your bag ready?
Yep, everything's all set.
What toy do you like the most?
I really love my robot.
What made you stop playing?
I felt super tired.
What did you spot in the park?
I spotted an adorable little squirrel.
Did you remember to bring your jacket?
Yep, I brought it along.
What made you pick that game?
It seemed like a lot of fun.
What animal do you like the most?
I really enjoy friendly dogs.
Have you finished your chores?
Absolutely, I took care of them.
What did you think about the movie?
It was really amazing.
What's making you so happy?
I'm feeling super happy today.
What did you create today?
I sketched a large house.
Hey, how about we play a game?
Sure, let's have some fun and play together.
Have you given something new a go?
Absolutely, I gave a new game a shot.
What did you listen to in class?
I came across a really neat fact today.
Why are you keeping a secret?
I'm having a blast playing a fun game.
What did you get up to after school?
I already finished my homework.
Did you like the story?
Absolutely, it was a blast.
What snack do you like the most?
I really enjoy munching on apples.
Why are you being so quiet?
I'm just sitting here, lost in my thoughts.
What did you watch on TV?
I watched a hilarious cartoon.
Did you lend a hand with dinner?
Absolutely, I helped get the table ready.
What song do you like the most?
I really enjoy Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
What made you get up so early?
I was really looking forward to watching the sunrise.
What fun things did you do during recess?
I had fun playing with my friends from school.
Have you wrapped up your chores?
Absolutely, I completed them all.
What gave you that idea?
It just came to my mind.
What made you pick that book?
It has a really awesome cover.
What's your favorite activity?
I really enjoy creating drawings.
Did you get to play outside?
Absolutely, I had a blast playing tag.
What made you choose this game?
It seemed like a lot of fun.
What did you tell your teacher?
I shared my weekend stories with her.